An excavator or backhoe is not exclusively used for digging or excavation tasks. In certain situations, it is adapted for breaking hard or solid structures encountered beneath the ground surface. During excavation work, if the operator encounters a hard object, such as rock, reinforced concrete, or other dense materials, that obstructs the excavation process, the machine is modified accordingly. The standard digging bucket or blade is replaced with a high-grade steel attachment, typically a hydraulic breaker, or hammer. This pointed tool is designed to deliver powerful, concentrated force to fracture and break apart the hard material, allowing excavation to continue effectively.